Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Good day. So our given perimeter is 12. So in order to find our length and width, we need to substitute it to its formula. Solve it. So we need two numbers that add up to 6 positive whole numbers. We have 1 by 5, 2 by 4, and 3 by 3. This is not a rectangle since it has the same sides, so you can consider it all as a perimeter of 12, right? But all of different areas. So its area is 5, and this area is 8, and this area is 9. So as you notice, if it's a difference between the lengths, look at this one, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 2, 2, and 5 minus 1, 4. As the gap is getting smaller, its area is getting larger. Look at this rectangle with a with a gap of 0. It is large. Its area is larger than a rectangle having a gap of 2, right? 9 is greater than 8. Look at this one. Its gap is 2, which makes it greater than a rectangle with a gap of 4, right? 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. But the area of 2 by 4 is 8, but the area of 1 by 5 is 5. So 8 is greater than 5, and 9 is greater than 8. I hope you learned something today.